This is me, BSD, all known as Ntando Kola, but that influence of yours Jigelele, Mhlabeni Uyaziwa, of course. Not everyone, but some of them are about to know him. Are about to know him. Yes, of course. Let me say, I want to say something about Team Babyface. Team Babyface, guys, is a team where we finally do content and update the people who sit in the same time with Babyface. It's not all about what's it basically we are all trying to make Busisi a bad person. No, it's just a what? It's just an app where a lot of people are using. So don't be dramatic that Team Babyface ufuna ukwenza Busisi womuntu ombi social media. So yeah, guys, I have evidence and we are untating in our evidence. So I just want to show you guys the video where Babyface no Busisi Jiva for Anazi. It wasn't a music video. That wasn't a music video, but I think it was one of the videos which were uploaded in Kamumpela's video, in Kamumpela's TikTok account. Lapha babe update abantu ukuthi the music video is coming out, bejiva influencers ezininzi, Babyface, Busisiwe, Spooky, bejivela uDali na. So ndicela mntase kule video qaphele Busisiwe no Babyface, ngiyacela jonga le video. 1 2 3 guys, is becoming famous these days. Like, guys, I still remember I was the first person who said something about Sima's lip gloss, but I didn't try. I was not meaning to say something bad about brand. No, I didn't try to do that. But I wanted to say something, guys, positive. Guys, there's a lot of things which are happening these days. And guys, and in that time, basically, kakukho into yayitrenda isithi ukuthi mntasekhaya uba usima mntase ebhenki balance yakhe ethe yathi yabo ebengiqonda ngamla okay, it's fine khawumeni khawuleze ndithi yabo lenza ivideo yami mntase, but the English was not Englishing in the video, so there is it. So yabo itsho into. But basically, what I don't understand, Open Chat podcast mntasekhaya uthe xa abantu mntase be-interviewer pha behlala bethetha about Usima. And into emhlungu mntase iqale yaba ngunakhwira ngoku gqegqise ngubani sengaba. And I know, guys, Usima is not money. Not everyone is gonna love Usima, but mntase sicela se respect igama lomntana abantu kancane. Khawume guys sile respect elagama. Ngiyacela guys, andilwi enzaka ngochuku. No guys, But guys, I just wanted to update you guys and tell you ukuthi guys, sometimes mawufuna ukukhuluma ngumuntu ukhuluma, but don't try to speak about isinkwa somuntu, because Usima guys, you wouldn't know. Well, not like I wouldn't know. La bona mntase la lip gloss iza nemali etafileni pa Usima. Ubeka imali etafileni, Usima bhatale abantu bakhe abamphangelelayo. Usima guys influencer. Undoni, like, I don't know, yeah, but is Usima guys a TV presenter? Are you a TV presenter? Because we podcast, we spreading rumors, we host the show. We a host. Without Usima, that can't be a show. Who's spreading rumors? So they even spreading rumors without Usima. Usima mangolwane. See my lip gloss. Yaiva. Bestie, I don't know why abantu guys bemulwa, but let me show you the evidence. Again.
Next podcast. Yo, damn.
Give mask, guys.
Open chats. Like, yeah, you know, I respect Umto and Usino, ne? I respect those guys. I've never had a problem with them.
Yeah.
Zeza zitshaparapa bazisepha kula podcast ezithetha ngami zitwaquzela umlomo twaqu sima nyima. Oh, I don't even know Sima's lip gloss. Asozuyibona etavern lip gloss yami baby girl.
Yo,
Asozuyibone etavern emahashahasheni baby.
yo,
Asozuyibone ikwi website sidenge sentomazana if uyakwazi ufunda. Sibhanqa sentomazana khasis ngathi ugibela amatafula etavern flate mawuqeda shaya ingude enhloko ngazongiphaphela wena ngazongiphaphela nina
zile nakuxovetha Evan
angeke phela ngiphathelwe izinto nje ama hood rats ongijwayela kabi wena sathani how lip gloss, you're not going to play with my fucking brand. That's one thing you're not going to do. Not my fucking brand. That's what I saw this.
isn't that loss?
Isn't that close yaka? Never. You are lying.
That's romantic guitar.
wena manzile khani ke tata
But anyway, yeah, those are the only podcasts that I wanted to address, and you got my attention, and I hope you guys are happy, and I hope you guys train for your 2 little seconds and leave me the fuck alone.
They must just call you one
Yeah,
FIFA.
No, bangazongiphaphela man, nama podcast alungichama.
yo asima
Anyway,
Ah.
hayi kusek vele.
Babethuna wenze ivideo update abantu bakhe ukuthi babethuna ndicela mntasekhaya uba uzawundivotela cela mntase ungandivoteli because mntase ngemali yakho yokugqibela isenti yakho yokugqibela uthenge isinkwa wathenga ishukela wathenga nombane utsho uLasizwe uthi ndicela ungandivoteli xa kufuneke ubhatale ndicela undivotele xa kufuneke kube for free. But yeah, so guys, what I would really say about Lasizwe, he's really kind. Any influencer mntasibiza uthi noma kutsho kubhatala i-100 abantu bami abandivotele ndifuna i-award mina. But guys, I still believe ukuthi even though my situation sithi ucela abantu bangamvoteli, I finally believe ukuthi guys uLasizwe uzayiwina la award, uzayithatha la award because singabantu bakhe siyambona uba ngumuntu olungileyo. Ngeyiphi reward yakhe uLasizwe xa elungile ihlobo singamvoteli handimvotele nami besti ungacimba bani nimvotelanga nimvotele namvotela ke sana. So for wena mntasekhaya cela uhambe uyomvotela bethunana but ungamxeleli uba ndithe mvotele because uthe ucela mntase ungadlali ngesenti yakho yokugqibela but mina besti ndiyacela cela umvotele yabo because umuntu onje guys ulungile. You Lasizwe guys is one of the best influencer in social media. Yo, ndiyamthanda guys. Let me show you the proof again because ngiyathanda guys ukuthi nimonisa ama proof. Kuyakibe ngathi ngikhuluma nonsense la.
Guys, I don't know if you guys saw this. Please don't vote for me. First of all, thank you to the South African Social Media Awards for the 3 nominations. That alone is massive. Like, it means a lot to me. It means my work is being appreciated and my work is seen and people love what I do and the content that I've been putting out, it's recognized, it's appreciated. Already, that for me is a win. But here's why I'm saying don't vote for me. The voting system costs money. And honestly, it doesn't sit right with me. I don't believe that you should pay to show support, especially in the country we live in and the economy that we live in. It's crazy right now. Like, that money could go towards bread, electricity, taxi fare, actual survival stuff, not you voting for me. Like, in Cyril's economy, guys, I'm more about impact than glass trophies. Like, for me, this nomination already is impactful enough. And I can't in good conscience ask you to spend your hard-earned money so that I can hold a piece of glass that will collect dust. Like, nah, that's not me. Like, even just making this is giving me so much anxiety because I just realized, So, the only time I'll ever say, please vote for me is when it's free. Until then, I stand by this, and please do not spend your money on me. Your support, your comments, your views, your love, that's the real award. So, please guys, once again, ngiyabonga kakhulu for the love And thank you for the nomination, but keep your coins for yourself. Let's not let clout cost groceries, guys. I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll always have the best interest at heart for you guys.
Song ukuthi uzocengwa ngunyoko wena. This song is going viral. This song is going viral on TikTok. I don't know if you actually know this song. Mara, let me update you. This song, guys, is one of the best songs in Maskande song. I was in my class and one of my classmates was singing it. Uthi uzocengwa ngunyoko wena. Ngeke ngicenge mina. And I was like, ingoma etheni xa isithi uzocengwa ngunyoko, like mama kuzacenga ucingela ntoni? Until ndathi ndayimamela, what a song it is. What a song it is. I love this song, guys. What a song. Basically, I'm also here. I was trying to put my vocals. I don't know ukuthi isounda njani nge-vocals zami. Mara ke, mlalela, cela ulalele. Comment section in YouTube is always allowed to share how you feel about Lando bendizama. Yayiva, but i-voice man better ivakalile. Uyayiqonda sharp ke.
Ubona ukuthi ngizomncane. Ubona ukuthi ngizoxolisa. Ngeke ngincike mina. Ngeke uzonquma nyoko. She broke up on me, I told her okay. I say, there's plenty of fish in the ocean that's looking for more of a buzz of a pig. I think, I don't beg, you can never tell me with your leg. I've been treating me like I'm a rag, guess you can light me up like a bag. When I be praying, it's probably the only time that I won't get on my knees. I'm like, no Musa, who came with the keys? We'll find out which temple, you know what it is. You told me I was the one, but I wasn't the only one. You're thinking and gigging for fun, nevertheless, I'm going for a run.
Babyface and Busisiwe, ndiyafuna ubusisiwe no Babyface babeze ichomi again. Ndiyafuna guys baphinde babeze ichomi. Ndiyafuna guys. But xa ndifuna mntasekhaya baba baphinde babeze ichomi. Bazabaza ichomi njani? That is what I'm still asking myself, njani? Bazabaza ichomi njani? Because I'm making content, I'm updating people to please go watch and do what? And I'm so thankful for 92 followers in TikTok. So, bestie, uthi ndenze njani na? Huh? Ndenze njani? Andifuna uzwa la kuwe. Ufuna umamela wena unditshela ukuthi ndenza njani. Ngiyacela. Because guys, I really want Ubusisiwe and Babyface to become friends. But to be honest, guys, I love Babyface more than Ubusisiwe. Ubusisiwe guys ngimazi ngo-Babyface because u-Babyface guys ngimazi from 2019 to 2021. Ngoku guys Babyface makazi wayenqebhekile jive endleleni umnyusisi. That is the time around iqala u-Babyface umazi. Ubusisiwe guys animazanga ngolo hlobo like. Yabo? Okay. Yabo.
Team Babyface and Busisiwe, here we come.
Really want Busisiwe and Babyface to become friends again because we are starting to miss them so much. Guys, I'm so excited. And let me tell you something, Bessie. I sold my YouTube channel. I sold it, Mdasekai. I sold it to the Ntando production. I'm so sad. But more content to come and the people need to be entertained. So, I don't know what to say, but thank you for watching. This is this is my okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna speak a lot, guys. I don't have a lot to say, but see once again. I think basically I will call this episode 1. Then episode 2, if you guys really love it, then I'm gonna shoot episode 2 where I will be updating you guys. Ne? Episode 2. But before I end, can I name my top 5 female celebrities in South Africa? Number 1, Babyface Omdanso. Number 2, Naledi Aphiwe. Number 3, Busisiwe. Number 4, Sima Mangolwane. Number 5, number 5 wami ke chomi shapu ke. Number 5 wami yazungibani Grace Mondlana. This are my top 5 female celebrity. Can I name my 2 West? Not West. Oh, English. Yup. Okay. Can I name my 2 female celebrity who I feel like they are taking the social media space and they are making the social media space their house? Sima Mangolwane, guys, is also one of my worst content creators these days. It's because Mdasekaya maye khulumu Sima awunomphikisa. And guys, I feel like sometimes as ungumuntu, guys, there's no need for you to always respond. Whenever people say nothing, whenever people, guys, say something bad about you and your brand, just try to be quiet and see ukuthi uzokhuluma aze aphelele phi. Because guys, there is a lot of people who wants to see Sima's downfall, but the Lord keep on disappointing them. And guys, I hope ukuthi guys mawusima guys ebukela lento as a bestie azitshele ukuthi ubaba lo mkhonzayo every single day mayethandaza azambulele, because baninzi abantu abangcolileyo laphandle. I really love her so much because umntasekhaya wasekhaya elitsha. But not to speak a lot. See you next time, BC. If you really love this episode, then mntasekhaya cela mntase wenze ntoni? Like, share, and subscribe. And comment below this video and tell me you need more. Or what do you want more? Because Babyface Vlog is now out on YouTube. And I can't wait for my movies to come out tomorrow.